Hi, good evening. 7th of July 2013, Sunday, just before the market open. The short view on the gold chart, gold versus USD. We will focus on monthly, weekly, daily and 4-hour charts. Before we start, short risk warning. The video has a educational purpose only. It's not signal service. We are presenting the charts to help you to build the plan, but the taking positions, it's your own responsibility. Please remember, trading effects, you can lose more than your initial balance. Okay, let's start. Monthly charts, gold versus dollar. Let's try to expand it. The red color is a monthly buying zone which has been tested twice already. Here in August 2010, July, August 2010, and last time June 2013. So it could be weaker support. Let's switch to weekly. The blue color represents the support on the weekly chart based on this price action here on the left side. Here we have had the first test. The support is still valid. It's something around 1,160 to 1,120, $40 buying zone on the weekly chart. Risk, if you would like to make a risk reward 1 to 3, the $40 means that you are going to target around 120 from 1,160 is going to give us 1,280 more or less. Let's check where is the first resistance, around 1,358, 1,360. So it could make sense from the bull's perspective to wait for his 1,160 level, to watch the price action there, and if any positive signs, to try to buy that levels with stop few cents below 1,120, targeting something around 1,280 and maybe higher towards 1,360. So it's a weekly chart. Daily one, represents by the yellow color. The support is represented by the yellow color. It's around 1,144, 1,132, 30. Still some distance based on, I'm going to show you the support base on this price action here. Please bear in mind that the support on a daily hasn't been tested yet, so it's still valid, represents good support level. Let's try to use the Fibonacci. check the extension of the last move up, and 161.8 Fibonacci extension is slightly below the support zone, but it's still within the blue range, still within the weekly range, so it's worth to take a look at these levels as well. $261.8 extension is on the very bottom of the red, means monthly support. Is also worth mentioning about this level. If we are talking about the daily support, it's worth to mention that the daily resistance is around 1278. So the last move here, the last move up, bulls haven't had enough power to test 1280. So the possibility that we will try to break down 1180, the possibility is quite high. The move above last week high, above 1265, will face the resistance few dollars higher. So still, is it possible the bears will try to break down to test some levels below 1180? And quickly, 4-hour charts represent by those two thin red lines here, around 1097, 1090. It's around 10% from current market price. Let's try to switch to 4-hour charts, and let me try to show you what we are talking about to have a better picture. Just 1 second. And we are talking about this price action here, and of course the monthly support zone has been tested, weekly, even daily here, but not this 4-hour chart. So maybe it's good to build the plan based on some spikes down and to wait for this particular level. So one more time, if we are talking about the supports, the 1180 on the weekly, which has been tested, on the monthly, on the weekly, the blue line, it's something around 1160, which has been tested here as well. The yellow represents the daily. The first one is around 1145, and the red here 1095 represents the fresh support level on 4-hour charts. So we know where we are with supports. Let's try to take a look at resistance, because we don't know if the price will rise from the current level or if the price fall further from the current market price. All we need to build our plan, our trading plan, is to know where we can expect some buying pressure, some support, and we have to know where we can expect some resistance. So on daily, as I mentioned before, it's something around 1280, which is the same if you would like to compare the resistance at 4-hour charts. So starts from 1280 to around 1300 to 1303. It could be very good selling level. The new bears especially has to be very, very patient, as we are quite oversold here. So yes, it's better to wait to see what's going to happen around 1280. Why you have to have your support levels in place and your resistances in place? Even if you are trading on a short side, it's good to know where's the nearest support to try to partially take your profits, or to move your stop, to manage your position. And similar, if you are trading on a long side, it's good to know where is your nearest resistance, again, to properly manage the position. That's it about the gold versus USD. Just before the market open, safe trading, stay with us, stay tuned. Have a good night. Take care. Bye bye.